It is JV Gaming. I am in a world. I'm in a world though. I have 5 minutes. Let's get started. Let's just wait for this thing to load.
She's a good girl, right?
I have white bed. I have white bed. So guys, let's just look to see what I have.
What did you have? No! Get down.
Diamonds.
No, I'm not playing.
I am doing 5 minutes. Look at all the different color beds.
You don't do that in my house. You don't do that.
Because I'm going to be building something. So far, I am going to be building a huge boat. Just like I find water right here.
This is only part 1 in the multi-part video.
Wait, Jaden, come here. So, how much minutes? Guys, we only have 3 more minutes. So,
It's just you and your husband. And you take time, all the time for yourself.
Oh, she does it all the time by herself?
She just came back.
she got some wood.
And then she's leaving again.
Okay.
Oh, is that why she?
No, I can't tell you. What's your business? No. But not stuff. But not stuff like that. I'm telling you that I'm doing well. So you want me to go into
Guys, and it is
I
dark.
want you to remember that when people tell me
I am
something, Joelle,
surprised.
share, anyone else tells me stuff, I'm going to tell you, you know, that, and you're going to no, tell me. Or with stuff with
Golda, come here.
Guys, it is 12:50 at the current
You
time.
didn't tell me. You lied to me. I have a text for you lying. Like you and your father are becoming one. You lie and it doesn't show your face anymore.
So now I'm gonna go.
Nicole, can you?
Hey, Jaden, please join the game again.
Why? Because they must think God and they're not happy. Come here, Golda.
And Jaden plays is lost. No.
Somalia, come here. Golda, come here. Where she's going?
Go get your brother. He's going up the stairs, Jaden.
So Jaden, why do you have so many unfinished houses? And he left the game. I don't know why I have so much unfinished houses. Guys, at 1:53, I'm gonna end up saying goodbye and stuff. I'm kind of gonna be wrapping up the video, except the video's gonna end. So I'm just gonna say goodbye early. Got it?
Mommy, doesn't Master Boston hurt?
No, I need a flash to blast your back. Your shoulder area. To see if it loosens
How
up.
much coconut oil do you have, Jaden?
Why?
The gamer was doing it. No, you left.
Because I'll do it at the house. It's mine.
It was almost over.
I only have the big one that you said you want to use.
No, that clogs the toilet in the bathroom.
Jaden plays join the game again. So guys, I'm gonna end up wrapping up the video, but I'm gonna keep on building. So please leave a like, and yes, I am gonna keep on building. So leave a like, and the video. I'm not gonna try to end the video. It's just gonna end by itself. So guys, please subscribe and leave a like.